There are a few different ways that you can add due dates into your course. You can either go into the assignment details themselves and add a due date directly to the assignment by clicking on the menu option, choosing Edit Properties in Place, Add Dates and Restrictions, and then fill in the due date with the assignment or the date picker. This one, let's do midnight on this day. And so you now have a due date that shows up in the course and sends students reminders. One thing I would caution you about is using start and end. It does provide you with the opportunity to do that, but if you do that, it will limit the time that students can see the assignment. It'll either not open the assignment or it'll close it down and they won't be able to do it as a late assignment. It's not showing me in the video here, but so this, you want to stay away from start date and end date unless you specifically need to do that. Otherwise, just add a due date. The other way to do it is to go into the course schedule, go to the drop-down menu and choose Edit HTML. And then once the box opens and allows you to edit the course schedule, then you can just click into the box and assign a due date next to the assignment. This one might have been due on 8 something. I don't know when it was, but and so that then you want to make sure that you're choosing Save and Close at the bottom. So that's 2 ways to add due dates into your course. The third way would be to simply include them on the course announcements, but you definitely want to use one of these other ways in addition to the course announcement.